Railways connect people and goods across borders. Safety and reliability are of course the most crucial factors here, but short repair times and long maintenance intervals are also in demand. An important responsibility, and Schaeffler supports railway operators in fulfilling it. The 100% return service for axlebox bearings simplifies and accelerates maintenance, ensuring that trains are back on the rails as quickly as possible after servicing is completed. 100% return means that a fully functional axlebox bearing is returned to the customer for every one that they send to Schaeffler for reconditioning. Reconditioning is reliably handled by our trained personnel, ensuring that you receive first-class Schaeffler quality. More practical still is the fact that all bearings that can no longer be reconditioned are replaced by an identical number of fully functional bearings. This eliminates the costs involved in maintaining stocks of replacement bearings. As a customer, you can choose between two models. Model 1.0 allows you to send your used bearings to us and receive them back after reconditioning. Schaeffler provides a 24-month guarantee on all work carried out and all new material that are installed. Defective bearings are also replaced by new ones. Model 2.0 gives you the option of registering your bearings for reconditioning ahead of time. Schaeffler will respond immediately by sending you an identical quantity of high-quality reconditioned bearings from its existing stocks. Schaeffler guarantees the full operational reliability of these bearings for the upcoming operating cycle. This model effectively eliminates the waiting time for bearing delivery. This in turn makes for very short throughput times and thus makes optimum use of resources for logistics and warehousing. Every bearing is marked with an individual data matrix code. This option can also be added to Model 1.0 subject to request. This code is used to digitally save and store important data, from reconditioning, installation, and operating data through to the next maintenance interval. This provides an enhanced overview of the complex interplay between train components. This information can be helpful when it comes to identifying potential causes of damage at an early stage and optimizing your vehicle fleet's range and maintenance. Schaeffler's 100% return model ensures that maintenance on your vehicle fleet can be scheduled and carried out quickly. Costly storage and organization of replacement bearings is a thing of the past. Reconditioning costs are transparent and easy to calculate. The automated digital exchange of data also saves valuable time. You can find out more about bearing reconditioning in our video, Reconditioning of Railway Bearings.